All right, today is the first day that I'm gonna be playing with fiberglass. So I got some chop strand matting down here on top of some nautical 15 that I'm gonna be using on the stringers, providing a table. This stuff is nasty as mess and it just comes apart so easy. So I traced an outline of this first part of the transom that I'm gonna be using. You really can't draw on it, so I just took a Sharpie and just made a bunch of dots. You can probably see them all around, just to kind of give me an outline. I'm gonna hold it and then pull the chop strand mat, away from it. So I can save as much as I could possibly get. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have put the back over here, but I need a bunch of strips of this shit anyways, so I'll be I think I'll be okay. Definitely will be able to use it all. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a bunch of chop strand put together, so more or less a final product. And maybe I'm using it to give my transom some tooth, just so it sticks to it when it comes time to epoxy and seal everything in. So I'm gonna go play with some fiberglass. Hopefully I don't get too daggone itchy from this. It doesn't look like it's going in the air too bad. It's big long pieces, so wish me luck.